Some weeks, your body feels like it's working with you. Your energy flows, your mind is clear, and you get things done. And other weeks, everything feels harder. Your hormones move in cycles. They lead your life, how you feel, and how productive you are. And once you learn to live in sync with them, your body finally starts to feel like home again. If we haven't met before, I'm Miriam, a scientist and a nurse, and now I help women realign their lives with their natural rhythm so they can feel amazing again. Today, I'll walk you through the benefits of cycle syncing and 5 things you can start doing today to align your life with your hormones. Your hormones shift every single week, going through a 4-phase monthly cycle, changing how you think, feel, and even burn energy. Most of us were taught to do the same thing every day, same workout, same meals, same routine. But as a woman, each day is different because your hormones don't repeat the same day twice. Cycle syncing is when you intentionally sync with your cycle, stop forcing your body to act like a man's 24-hour rhythm, and start honoring your own 28-day or so rhythm. That's when things start feeling easier. Ever notice how your energy peaks mid-cycle and dips before your period? That's not random. Your body is following a rhythm. When you align food, rest, and workouts with those shifts, your energy stabilizes and no more good weeks and bad weeks, just a balance and cyclic consistency. Studies have shown that hormone can even influence your brain function. For instance, planning and strategy come naturally in the follicular phase. Communication and confidence rise during ovulation. Focus and reflection deepen in the luteal phase. When cycle syncing is done right, it is a very powerful tool that can take your life from survival mode to I'm the queen of my life and I can do anything I dream of. Cycle syncing steadies blood sugar, cortisol, and sleep. You feel less anxious, you will have fewer crashes, and experience more calm. You will stop labeling yourself as moody and start understanding what your body is asking for at each phase. The deeper you sync, the more you start listening. You'll notice pattern in your craving, your energy, your emotions, etc. Awareness turns frustration into understanding. And that's where healing begins. Before we move on, ladies, if you would do me a huge favor and click on the subscribe button down below, it only takes 2 seconds and it would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Now let me tell you how you can actually start syncing with your cycle in 5 simple steps without overcomplicating it. You don't need a fancy system. You just need awareness and consistency. Step 1, track your cycle. I will never say this enough times. This is one of the most important things you can do now. You can't align with what you don't observe. Start tracking, not just your period, your energy, your mood, your craving. Each week, take note of it. There are many apps out there that can help you use and journal about everything you feel, crave, and think. And within a few weeks, you'll start seeing patterns your body's been showing you all along. That's your starting point. Step 2, learn the 4 phases. To make it simple and short, think about each phase like this. The menstrual phase, also called period, is your reset. Your follicular phase is your rise. Take advantage of all the energy and inspiration you have in this phase. Your ovulatory phase is your peak. And finally, your luteal phase is your grounding. Each phase has a purpose. Once you know where you are, you'll know what your body needs. Step 3, move with your hormone. Ditch the push harder every day mindset. Please stop trying to make your body do what it's not supposed to. Rest or stretch during your period. Lift or learn new skills during your follicular phase. Sweat and connect during ovulation. And slow down and strengthen during your luteal phase. Your performance improves when you move with your cycle and not against it. Step 4, nourish by phase. Know that your nutritional needs change each week. Just like anything in your body, they follow your rhythm. Increase iron-rich and warming food during your period. Eat fresh, light meals during your follicular phase. Focus on hydrating and high-protein foods during ovulation. And comforting, magnesium-rich food in luteal phase. Think of food as your main fuel, not your frustration. Step 5, plan life with your rhythm. This is where it all comes together. Use your high energy phases for creativity and connection. Use your slower phases for reflection and structure. And now that your calendar matches your cycle, life stops feeling like resistance and starts feeling like harmony. Cycle syncing is more than a method, it's a mindset shift. Next week, I want you to stop asking what's wrong with me this week and start asking what is my body guiding me towards. If you got value out of this video and want even more info on how to start feeling better now, check the link below. Until next time, keep following your rhythm.